Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Mitsushi Philippines.
Pwede na!
So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Yung guys, legit si seller guys. Ang order ko rito guys is yung glue sticks. Ito, glue sticks guys. Tapos, dalawang set. Tapos bumili ako ng glue gun na maliit. Tapos may itong gloves. Yung may rubber. Parang ang dami yata. Ang daming glue stick, sumobra. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.